and I'm here to teach you probability. Probability is what is something that is not sure. The fair chances mean something which you are not sure of. So probability, you will study something you are not sure of. It might take place, it might not take place. Probability, chapter 4, exercise 4.1, page 98, question number 1, we'll start off. Exercise 4.1, page 98, question number 1, we'll start off. First question says, when 3 coins are tossed, right? When 3 coins are tossed simultaneously means you are tossing the 3 coins together. So our probability means you never know what might come. Coin means you have 2 sides, either head or tails, right? So 3 coins, anything might come, heads together, tails together, head, tail. Let's see what it will be. You will have sample space. Sample space means the whole universe or all the probabilities together, means it could be anything out of this. So sample space is basically also known as the total probability. It's also known as the total probability, means anything out of this whole thing can come, right? So first we will see what is the total probability here when 3 coins are tossed. It could be H, H, H. This is first thing, right? Always start with the first thing. Then you can have H, T, H, right? This is the second thing you can have. You will have H, H, T. I'll just write it, then I'll explain you what is that. Then you will have T, T, T. Then you will have T, H, H, T, H, T. You will have all these things here. Then you will have one more thing, maybe H, T, T. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh one you have got. Another which you can have is T, T, H. Now I will let you know what I have done. Sample space, or I can say you'll have, next statement you'll write, therefore, right, NS equals to 8. Equals to 8 means this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, right? These are the 8 chances of coming of any of the events. These are 3 coins, 1, 2, 3. It could be head on all the 3 coins, you never know. It could be head on the first coin, tail on the second coin, and head on the third coin. It could be head on the first coin, head on the second coin, tail on the third coin. Tail, tail, tail on the 3 coins. Tail, head, head on the first 3 coins. Tail on the first coin, head on the second coin, tail on the third coin. Head on the first coin, tail on the second coin, tail on the third coin. Tail on the first and the second coin, and head on the third coin. These are only the probabilities that might occur when you have 3 coins tossed simultaneously. So N means the number, how many times it will come. S is the total space or the total probability, that will be 8. Now we have taken out, now they are asking questions from the sample space, right? They say P is the event. This is question they are putting up. P is the event of getting at least 2 heads. Of getting at least 2 heads. Right? At least 2 heads. See what they say. At least 2 heads. This means, at least means, in Hindi you say kam se kam. At least 2 means 2 or more than 2. Kam se kam 2. less than 2? No, it will be 2 or more than 2. At least 2 heads यानी 1 chance. So it will be n to the power, inside you will have p. N is, this is the total probability, that is this means the probability they are asking for. So it will be, see, in this total find out where you have 2 or more than 2 heads. So this is first chance, H, H, H. This is second chance, T, H, H. Will this come? Yes, this will come. H, T, H. This will come. H, H, T. This will come. No, because you want the answer where you will have 2 or more than 2 heads. This will come. We have written this. THT will not come because you want 1, 2 or more than 2 heads. This will come. No, this will come. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will have 4. So NP equals to 4. This is the answer, right? Next is they are asking Q. Q is the event of, what is Q? Q is the event of getting no head. Q is the event of getting no head. So N, you will write Q, no head. See the situation where you have no head. No, you have 3 heads. Here you have 2 heads. 2 heads again. This is the situation. T, T, T. Any other situation where you have no heads? No. You have only one situation. So you just have one situation for the answer. You will have N, Q equals to 1. Okay. This is Q. Third, they are asking R is the event of, this is P you solve, Q you solve, you have R is the event of getting head on the second coin. Event of getting head on second coin. Getting head on the second coin. See, this is the first coin, second coin, third coin. First, second, third, first, second, third, first, second, third, and so on. Getting head on the second coin. N to the, this is R. You have head on the second coin? Yes. So you write that. H, H, H. You have head on the second coin? No. Second coin you have tail. No, no to this one. You have head on the second coin. H, H, T. Right? You have head on the second coin? No. You have head on the second coin? Yes. Write that. T, H, H. Head on the second coin? Yes. T, H, T. T, H, T. You have head on the second coin? No. You have head on the second coin? No. Just close the brackets. See how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many situations? 4. So N, R is 4. Right? So first you have to find out, whenever they are asking anything, you have to find out, they are asking situations they give you. First you have to find out the total situations, right? 3 coins are tossed. This is the first coin, second coin, third coin. Similarly, you have everywhere you have first, second, third, first coin, second coin, third coin, first, second, third, first, second, third, first, second, third, first coin, second coin, third coin, first coin, second coin, third coin. Right? So everywhere you have 3 coins. Now you find out the total situations. Now from this total situation, they will give you certain conditions which you have to fulfill. So P means at least 2. At least 2 means 2 or more than 2. So here you have 3 heads, 2 heads, 2 heads and 2 heads. So how many situations? 4. So the answer is 4. Q is the event of getting no head. Where are the situation where you see everywhere you are getting head, only this situation you are not getting any head. So how much is the answer? Just one situation. Third is event of getting head on the second coin. See, you are getting head here on the second coin, here on the second coin, then you are getting THH, this on the second coin, here on the second coin. So there are how many situations? 4 situations where you are getting head on the second coin. So what is the answer? 4. That's it. Right? So this is the first question of exercise 4.1. We will switch on to the next question, please. We move on to the second question of the same exercise. It says a die is thrown. a die is thrown. Can I tell you or can I ask you what is a die? A die means a dice that is used when you play Ludo or something, where you have numbers. Fair dice means you have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is a dice, right? When you have numbered dots, that's given to you. Let's first find out the total probability. Whenever you see, you first find out the total probability. So N, S. S means the total space. What is the probability? Either it will one will come, or 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, or 6. Right? Either of these numbers will come. You throw a dice, 1 will come, 2 will come, or 3, or 4, or 5, or 6. All will not come together, either of the number will come. So what is NS? NS is 6. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many numbers are there? 6. So N is 6. Now they are asking P is the event. Again they are putting up a situation. P is the event of getting odd number. See, getting odd number. What is the situation? P is the situation. So N, P is the event of getting odd number. How many odd numbers are there? 1 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number, and 5 is an odd number. So how many numbers? Just write here first. 1, 3, 5. Close the brackets. N, P. What? How many numbers? 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? 3. Right? See, next one. Q. Q is the event. This is another situation. Q is the event of getting even number. Getting even number. So what are the, how many even numbers are there? Just see first. 2, 4 and 6. So first write that 2, 4 and 6. Now count. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? 3. Right? See the third one. R. What situation? R is the event of getting a prime number. R is the event of getting a prime number. Getting a prime number. Prime number means which are divisible only by themselves. They arrive in their own table, nowhere else. So what is NR? 1 is not a prime number. 2, 3 and 5. They only come in their own, or they are multiplied, or they are divisible only by themselves. How many? 2, 3 and 5. So NR will be how much? Again 3. See, they have given 3 situations, odd numbers. First find out the total situations. Then P is the event of getting odd number. How many odd numbers? 3. How many even numbers? 3. How many prime numbers? 3. So this is how you are getting the answer. This was the second question of exercise 4.1, page 98. Now we move on to the third question, please. We have moved on to the third numerical. See what third numerical says. Third numerical, what situation they have given? 2 dice are thrown. 2 dice are thrown. See, 2 dice are thrown means you have 2 dice that are thrown. So we will see the total situation. What numbers can come? See, on the first side, put it in order, otherwise you will forget. Put it in order. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4-2, 4-3, 4-4, 4-5, 4-6, 5-1, 5-2, 5-3, 5-4, 5-5, 5-6, 6-1, 6-2, 6-3, 6-4, 6-5, 6-6. Now see, close the brackets please. Don't forget to open and close the brackets. See what this situation is. Total S is how? First dice you are getting 1. Second dice you are getting 1 again. First dice you are getting, I have written in order because if you write for 1 here, 2 here, 2 here, 1 here, you will tend to forget something. So I'll do that. 1, 1, or first dice 1, second dice 2. This all which is written here is first dice, first, first. After comma, second dice. Right? After comma, what I have written is second dice. So on first dice you are getting 1, second dice 1. First dice 1, second dice 2. First dice 1, second dice 3. First dice 1, second die 4. First die 1, second die 2, 5. First die 1, second die 6. First die 2, 1, 2, 2 and carry on till 6, 6. These are all the probable situations I have given. Now, how many are there? Just count. There are 36. NS equals to 36 situations. What? NS equals to 36. There are 36 situations when 2 dice are thrown. Now in the question, see what they have given. P is the event. Event means what situation they have put? Event that sum is a multiple of 6. Sum is a multiple of 6. Means sum means the total. That means this plus this plus this. Sum of the two numbers. See, you throw 2 dice. On 1 dice you will get 1. Other dice you will get 2. So the total of the 2 dice will be 3. But in this question it is says sum is a multiple of 6. Means suppose these two. This is 1, this is 1. How much is the total or sum? 2. Does it come in the table of 6? No. So we have to add up the two numbers and see whether it comes in the table of 6 or not. How you will see? 1 plus 5. We'll start from the beginning. 1 and 3, 4. 1 and 4, 5. 1 and 5, 6. The total comes in the table of 6. Okay. So we have one combination 1 and 5. Then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. 2, 4 will come because 2 plus 4 is how much? 6. And 6 comes in the table of 6. So 2, 4. 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. 3, 3 will come because 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 comes in the table of 6. 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2. 4, 2 will come because 4 and 2 is 6. That will come in the table of 6. 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6 is 10. That will not come. 5, 1, 5, 1 will come because 5 plus 1 is 6. That comes in the table of 6. 5, 2, no. 5, 5, 5, 6. 5, 6, that will not come. 6, 1, not come. 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6 will come. After that you see that 6, 1, 6, 2, this will not come because any of the sum doesn't come in the table of 6. So you will have the last number 6 and 6. 6 plus 6 is how much? 12. And 6 2s are 12. So that comes. So 6 and 6. Close the bracket. See how many combinations are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the answer? 6. Right? So this is first situation they have given. Second is Q is the event of Q is the event that sum is at least 10. Sum is at least 10 means what? Sum is at least 10 means sum is 10 or the sum is more than 10. We will see where all the sum is 10. Sum means when you add this number and this number, the total should be 10 or it should be more than 10. Again, I am telling you, the two numbers you add, it should be 10 or answer it should be more than 10. 1, anywhere you will see 10, last number is 1, 6. 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 4, no. 5, this you will add, you will get 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the first combination. How much? 4, 6. 4, 6 is the first combination where you're getting 10. Your answer should be that when you add this number and this number, the total of this should be 10 or it should be more than 10. So 4 and 6, 10. 5 and 1, 6, no. 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, we get another combination, 5 and 5. 5 and 6, 11. We will take this because our question says the two numbers, it should be 10 or more than 10. So 5 plus 6 is 11, which is more than 10. 6 and 1, no. This will be 8, 9, 10. 6 and 4, right? Then you have 6 and 5 also, which makes up 11. Then you will have 6 and 6 also, which makes up 12. Close the bracket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many combinations you get? 6. So what will be your answer? NQ equals to 6. Right? Last is R. R is the event of the same score on both dice. R is the event of same score. Same score means you have n to the power nr. Same score means on both the dice you have the same number. Same number means 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. दोनों dice में you will have same numbers. So just write it. 1 1, 2 2 till 6 6. So what is your answer? N R how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer. R6. Right? This is the third question of exercise 4.1. Now we'll switch on to the fourth question of the same exercise. We have moved on to the fourth numerical of exercise 4.1. See what it says. It says a bag contains 3 red, 3 white and 3 green balls. 3 white and 3 green balls. Right? So 3 plus 3 plus 3, total how many? 9. 3 red, 3 white, 3 green, total are 9 balls in a bag. Right? One ball is drawn at a random. One ball is drawn at a random means you don't look which color. You just pick up the ball, any ball from the bag. That is known as random. Now see, we'll see what is NS. NS equals to 9. The total situation that I've told you is 9. Now see what they ask. P. P is the event of what? Which situation given? P is the event of getting red ball. Getting red ball. P is the situation or the event of getting red ball. How many red balls are there? 3. So NP is how much? 3. Simple. There are 3 red balls. Next is given Q. Q is the event, that is next situation. It can be anything. PQ is just, instead of writing 1 2, they are writing PQ. Q is the event that ball is not green. Ball is not green. Ball is not green means what? you are picking one ball is not green, so other than green it will be white or red, right? So how many? 3 white and 3 red. How many you have? 3 red and 3 white. Again, what will be the answer? NQ, that will be 6, right? So total you have to write. It could be any of the red balls or white balls, because they say no green. No green means red or white. 3 and 3. 3 and 3 will be 6, right? R. R is the event. Now what situation they have given in R? R, that is the event that ball is red or white. That the ball is red or white, right? So you have R, red or white. So red, how many red are there? 3. See, in probability, always remember, when they say or, you will add up the situation, means this plus this, and they say and, you will multiply the situation. So they are asking red, 3 red and how many white? You have white also, you have 3, right? So how much is the situation? Situation is NR, again it is 6. It is the same situation here. It's not green, and here it's red or white. We'll move on to the second exercise, exercise 4.2. We'll solve the first numerical of that exercise. What it says, if 2 coins are tossed, if 2 coins are tossed, now see, 2 coins are tossed means NS, that is sample space. What will come? What are the total situations? It could be head and head on both the coins, right? Head and tail. Then it could be tail and tail. It could be tail and head. So how many situations you have found? There are in all 4 situations. There are in all 4 situations. We'll see what they are asked. First situation, that is, see, abhi tak we were writing PQR. Now they say at least one tail. At least one tail. You have at least one tail. At least one tail means one tail or more than one tail. What will be the answer? I have just written NP. You can take it any number. Here you have 2 heads. Take that as one of the situations. See, at least one tail means one tail or more than one tail. So is this the situation? No, this will not be the situation. One tail or more than one tail. This is one tail. Okay, we have written this. Here you have more than one tail. You will take this also. And here again, okay. So this is the total chances, right? Now you see how you write it actually. It is 1, 2, 3. 3 situations out of 1, 2, 3, 4. The formula is required probability upon total probability. Remember, required probability means at least one tail. One tail in every set or more than one. So here you have got one tail, here 2 tails, here one tail. So this is the required probability divided by the total probability. See what they say in the next situation. Next situation they say no head turns up. Any time you toss up the coin and there is no head. Here you have head, you can't take the situation. Here you can't take the situation. Here you have head, no. So you will take this, tails. Here you have head, yes. So you just have your answer 1. How much? 1. You have just got one situation. 1 out of 4. Okay. Next they say at the most one tail turns up. At the most one tail turns up. At the most one tail turns up means to the most one tail. It should not be more than one, right? At the most 1 means it should not be more than 1. It can be 0 also. At the most यानी इससे ज़्यादा नहीं. So one tail means it will be, it should not be more than 1. It can be 0 also. So one tail. So what will be your answer? HH. Here you have a tail? No. So they say at the most 1 tail you will have. So here you have tail, you will not get that. HT, yes. At the most 1 means it should be only 1 tail, not more than that. Then tail, no, this you will not take because you have at the most 1, right? Then you have TH and then you have HH. So how much? Okay, this is 3 by 4 again. So required probability divided by the total probability. This was the first question of exercise 4.2. We'll move on to the second question, please. Exercise 4.2, next numerical is numerical of question number 7. Right? They say there are 3 boys and 2 girls. How many total are there? 5. 3 boys and 2 girls. Now they say in a question, they have to make a committee. They have to form a committee. That committee is consisting of only 2 members. There are 3 boys and 2 girls. So total how many are there? 5 people. Now out of these 5 people, they have to make a committee. That committee consists of 2 people. Now how we will see how 2 people will come. Either there will be both the boys or both the girls or 1 boy or 1 girl, right? We will first see what is NS. NS is how much? 5. This is the total situation, right? Now what is the first thing they have asked in the question? A committee should have at least 1 girl. A committee should have at least 1 girl. At least 1 girl means minimum 1 girl, or it could be more than 1. More than 1 means it could be only 2 because there are only 2 members. At least 1 means 1 girl or more than 1 girl. So what will be the combination that you will have? You will have the combination as, you will have boy and a girl, right? Or you will have second combination as girl and a boy, right? And third situation as girl and a girl. You will have boy and girl, girl and boy, and girl and girl, because you have to have 1 person as the girl everywhere, right? You have to have 1 person as the girl everywhere. So you have girl and boy, boy and girl. See, there are 2 different situations. First you will have boy, then you will have a girl. Next situation, you will have 1 girl first, then a boy, and then both the girls, right? So how many boys are there? 3. Total 5. I told you when there is and, what you will do? You will multiply into how many girls? 2 divided by 4. Why 4? Because you have 5 members. This is known as with replacement or without replacement method. What do you mean by replacement? That means there were total 5 members in which you have 3 boys into. Now from this 5, 1 is selected. So how many remaining will be there? 4. So from those 4 you will have 2 girls. Then you will have or. You will have either this situation or this or this. So whenever or comes, what you will have? Plus. So first will be 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. There were 5 people from which 1 girl is selected. Into, so 1 girl is selected means from 5 people, how many they have reduced to? 4. So 3 by 4. Boys are remaining the same. They are 3. Only 1 girl is selected. Plus either this, then this situation. 2 by 5 into 2 by 4. Right? So this will be 6 by 20 plus 6 by 20 plus 4 by 20, right? So 6 plus 6, 12, 12 and 4, 16, right? You have 16 by 20, or you can say you will have 8 by 10. Right? 3 2s are 6, 6 by 20, 3 2s are 6, 6 by 20, 2 and 2, 4, 4 by 20. So you will have 6 and 6, 12, 12 and 4, 16, that will be 2 8s are and 2 10s are. Again, if you want to solve it further, you can also solve it further, right? Then what they say to the next situation? Next situation is 7th numerical, exercise 4.2. They have said that there are 3 boys and 2 girls. So how many are there? 5. From these 5 people, you have to select 2 members to form a committee. So NS is 5. First situation they have given as at least 1 girl should be there. So see what are the combinations? Boy and girl, girl and boy, girl and girl. Because you need to have 1 girl every time. So this is one situation, this is second, this is third. All the 3 cannot happen. Either this will happen or this, right? So whenever you have or, you will add. That means add here, and wherever you add and you will multiply, right? So boy, how many boys are there? 3 out of 5. How many girls are there? 2 out of 4. Because 1 boy is selected, 1 boy is gone. Because we are keeping the boys probability, na? So from 5, 1 boy is gone. So how many total members are left? 4. Okay. Girl is how much? Girl is, then you have plus. Girl is how many? 2 by 5. How many boys? Boy will be then 3 by 4. Next situation. Next situation, what they say? Girl and girl. So it will be girl is 2 by 5 into 1 by 4, because here 1 girl is selected, 1 is left. From 5 members, only 4 are left. So see how we do. 6 by 20 plus 3 2s are 6 by 20 plus 2 by 20. So this will be 6 and 6, 12, 13, 14. 14 by 20, or they say you have 2 7s are and you have 2 10s are. So answer is 7 by 10, right? Second situation quickly. Second situation, what they have said? Second situation, they said 1 boy and 1 girl. 1 boy and 1 girl, right? So 1 boy and 1 girl will again be boy and girl, or this will be one combination, or girl and a boy. This will be another combination. So boy are how many? 3 out of 5. Wherever you add, you will multiply. Girls are how many? 2 out of 4, because 1 boy is gone here. Plus how many girls? You have 2 out of 5 into how many boys? 3 out of 4, because 1 girl is gone here. So what you say? 3 2s are 6, 5 4s are 20, plus 3 2s are 6, 5 4s are 20. This will come 12 out of 20, or you can say this will be 4 3s are and 4 5s are. 3 by 5 is the answer of the second probability. Third situation they have given as only boys. Only boys. Boys and boys, right? So 2 members. This is 3 by 5, 1 boy gone, into boy and boy. That means this is boy, means boy and boy. And you say you multiply. So this is for this boy 3 by 5 into for this boy 2 by 4. Okay. Why? 1 boy is less here, 1 boy is less here. So how many? 3 2s are 6 and 20. So it will be 6. This is 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 is the required probability. This was the 7th question of exercise 4.2. We'll switch on to the last question of exercise 4.2. Next question, that is the 8th numerical of exercise 4.2. They say card is drawn from pack of 52 cards. Cards means playing cards. In Hindi you call it tash. That is card from 52 cards. 52 cards you have 26 black and 26 white. Equal you have, right? Black and white you have. So you have 26 black cards and 25 you have the red cards. So card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards, I'm sorry. So first situation they have asked you is probability of drawing a black card. Probability of drawing means not, you have to pick it up. Drawing a black card. So how many black cards are told you? There are 26 black cards. Black card probability is 26. There are 26 black cards. There are 26 red cards. So required probability is 26. How many? The total probability 52. So this is the answer. What is the second situation? Second situation is not a black card. Not a black card. So it will be a red card. If it's not a black card, it's a red card. Either of the two. How many red cards are there? 26 by 52. Right? Or you can solve it in another fashion also. You have 1 minus black card. This is another way you can solve it. You have 1 minus, how many black are there? 26 by 52. So again you will get the same answer. Third, you have a card bearing number between 2 to 5. Card which are bearing number 2 to 5 and 2 to 5, 2 and 5 are included. Number between 2 and 5. How many cards are there which have number 2 to 5? 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to include 2 and 5. They have said in the question. So how many cards are there which are number 2 to 5? 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 2 number cards are there? 4. 2 of red and 2 of black. So how many are there? 4. What is the total probability? 52. So 4 is the required, 52 is the total. How many 3 number cards? Again 4. 4 by 52. For 4 by 52. I'm sorry, this is 52. And for 5, again you have 4 by 52. So card which have numbers from 2 to 5, you have 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2, 4 by 52, 3, 4 by 52, 4, 4 by 52 and 5, 4 by 52. So either you will get this or this or this or this. I mean you will get 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. So when you have or, what you do? Add 4 by 52 plus 4 by 52 plus 4 by 52 plus 4 by 52. So this will be 4 and 4, 8, 8 and 4, 12 and 4, 16. 16 by 52. You want, you can solve it further, right? You will get 4 by 13. This will be your final answer, right? This was the 8th numerical of exercise 4.2. Now we will switch on to the last exercise, exercise 4.3. So please turn up to exercise 4.3, first numerical. We'll move on to exercise 4.3, question number 1. Let's see what it says. It says A and B are 2 events. Right? A and B are 2 events such that, this is all given in the question, right? Such that what? P, that is probability of A is how much? 0.8. Probability is B is how much? 0.6. And they say probability of A union B is how much? 0.9. 0.9. You have to find out what? When P, the probability A and not a union of B. You have to find this. There is a simple formula. You don't have to find out anything. P A union B equals to probability of A plus probability of B minus P A not a union of B. Right? So we'll see. This is given to you how much? 0.9. The P probability of A is given to you. Yes, 0.8. Probability of B 0.6 minus write as it is. Right? Next, 0.9 equals to 0.8 plus 0.6. You will get 1.4 minus probability of A not a member of B. Now this, take this to this side. Probability of A not a member of B equals to 1.4 minus 0.9. Probability A to the not a member of B, 1.4 minus 0.9 will give you 0.5. Right? So this is how you will solve it. This is the final answer to the question. It was just a formula. Probability of A union of B equals to probability of A plus B minus not a common one. So you will put the numbers this which are given in the question and you will find the final answer. This was first question. We will move on to the next question, please. Exercise 4.3, question number 4. They say 2 dice are thrown. Now 2 dice are thrown. I have written all the probability. 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. This is 1 on the first coin and 1 on the second coin. 1 on the first coin, 2 on the second coin. Please write it in order so you will not forget any of the probabilities. Open the bracket, then you will close the bracket. Right? So you get how many probability? You will get NS equals to 36. First point what they have asked in the question is a perfect square or divisible by 4. A perfect square or divisible by 4. Probability would be, perfect square means it could be 4, right? It could be 9. 4 is the square of 2, 9 is the square of, right, 3. So in this you will have only till 9 basically. So what you will have first, and divisible by 4 also. 2 and 2 which will make 4, right? You will also have 1 and 3 then you will have 1 and 5. So you will have first 2 and 2, then you see how much, and it's also divisible by 4. Divisible by 4 means that it will come in the table of 4. 2 and 6 which makes up 8, then you will have 3 and 5, that is 8 again. You will have 4 and 4, that is 8 again. 5, 3, 8 again. You will have 6 and 6. Why? 6 and 6 will give 12. 12 will come in the table of 4. Then you will have 3 and 6, that makes up 9. That is a perfect square again. Then you will have 4, 5. Then you will have 5, 4, 9. That will make up 6 and 3. Right? You will have 1 and 3. That makes up 4. Then you will have 3 and 1. That makes up 4. See, these are two different situations. 1 on the first dice, 3 on the second dice. This means 3 on the second dice and 1 on the first dice. So you have to write it both. Right? Count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You will have everything for you will have situations. You will have 2, 2, 2, 6. You will have 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, 6, 2. 1 is missing, that is you will have 6, 2. That is 6 plus 2 is 8. That comes in the table of 4. So you started up with this. Now you will have n probability will be how much you counted? 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Out of how much probability? 36. So that comes up to 13 and 36. We'll start off with the second situation. Second, they say greater than 10 or odd number. Greater than 10 or odd number. It is greater than 10 or it's an odd number. Greater than 10 means 1 and 1 makes up how much? 2. That's not an odd number. Neither it is greater than 10. 1 and 2, 3. Okay. See the combinations and make it quickly. Then you will have what? 1 and 3, 4. You have to check both the situation. Greater than 10 also an odd number. That means greater than 10 means sum is greater than 10. That is total of the two numbers. Or at 1 and 4. Okay. Odd number 5. 1 and 5, 6. No. 1 and 6, 7. Okay. 1 and 6. 2 and 1, 3. Okay. 2 and 2, 4 will not come. 2 and 3, 5 will come. 2 and 3, 5 will come. 2 and 4, 6 will not come. 2 and 5, 7. This will come. Right? Then what will come? 2 and 6, 8? No. 3 and 1, 4? No. 3 and 2 will come. 3 and 3, 6 will not come. 3 and 4, this will come. 3 and 5 will not come. That is 8. 3 and 6, 9 will come. That is 9. 9 is an odd number. 4 and 1, 5. This will come. 4 and 2 will not come. 4 and 3 will come. That makes up 7. 7 is an odd number. 4 and 4, 8 will not come. 4 and 5, this will come. 4 and 5, 9. 10, 5 and 1, 6, this will come. 4 and 6 will come. Because, see, this is 4 and 5, 9, 4 and 6, 10. So, 1 is what? Odd number. 5 and 1, 6 will not come. 5 and 2 will come. Right? 5 and 3 will not come. 5 and 4 will come. 5 and 5 will come. 5 and 6 will not come. 6 and 1 will come. Well, 5 and 6 will also come because 5 and 6 will make up 11. 11 means it's greater than 10. So 5 and 6 will come. 6 and 1 will come. 6 and 2, 8, which will not come. 6 and 3, 9, that will come. 6 and 4, 10, that will also come. 6 and 5 will also come. 6 and 5 is 11, that is 1 and 1, 2. But still it will come because it is greater than 10. Then 6 and 6 will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. You have 22 sets. Now you see, check up the odd numbers again. 3, this will be 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9. This will be 6 and 4, 10. This will be 1. Right? 5 and 2, you will have 7. You will have 5 and 4. Right? Then you will have 5 and 5, 1. 6 and 1, 7. 5 and 6, you will have 11. See, you have 5 and 6 for this also, for this also. That is why I wrote, because this will go for both the situations. So you are going to cancel this. You will not include it because it is common. Common are never included. Next, 6 and 3, 9. 6 and 4, 10. 10 means 1 for that and 1 for that. 5 and 4, 6 and 5, 11. 11, 2. So this will go. 6 and 6, 12. This will not go again. You will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again, you have one set extra. This is 6 and 4, 10. 10 means it will follow this page also and this page also. So either of the situation it is common. So again you are cancelling the common one. Right? Cancel all the common means. Common means the sum is greater than 10 or 10 and it's an odd number also. So total you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So final answer is 19 by 36. I'm sorry 36. 19 by 36.